Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is February 12th when we're recording this, and I want to let you guys know that we got the money show coming up this coming week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I also believe that the market is closed Monday. I think it's President's Day, if I got that correct. But yeah, we're very excited. This is I always have a special place in my heart for the money show because that's where I met John Carter, and that's where I began my career at Simpler Trading. I am now in my 6th year with Simpler Trading, so pretty exciting. And I've got some fun stuff to talk about. If you guys are going to be there at the money show, be sure to come up, say hello. Always love to be putting a face to a name or a name to a face. And yeah, we got 2 sessions that I'm going to be doing both on Tuesday and Wednesday, so come on out. It's a great time. And as far as the market, I'll get into the betting stocks basically that are moving up, and pretty interesting. They're all starting to move together. But I do want to talk just a moment about the SPX and just kind of what's been happening for the last few weeks. I want to say that I think the market is actually pretty strong underneath the surface, even though it's just going sideways. I think this is actually still a good thing because we just had CPI today and it came out hot and it dropped the market. But if you notice, the market got bought right back up and it's still basically unchanged. So this is now the 4th economic data thing, or the 4th thing that has dropped the market, dropped the market, dropped the market, and dropped the market, and it's still basically neutral. I'm going to view that as good, as resilient. So let's see if the market can kind of show us when it wants to finally move up and out, and then we can actually do something about it and with it. All right, but in the meantime, let me show you a couple other things. So well, you guys probably all know DraftKings, and if we look over here, this is doing very, very well. It's been oscillating a little bit, does have earnings coming up, and of course anything can happen for earnings, but I do like what's happening here. And if you look at the higher time frame, this also, just kind of like the market, but on a different time scale. You guys see how this has been kind of chopping around but flagging? It hasn't gone down, and it looks to me like it's wanting to start to move up. It does have a big resistance area. This is all the way back from 2020, 2021 area, and so you can see we're still just kind of sitting under it. So I think it has digested it enough or long enough that we should start to see it move up if that's the way it wants to continue. So DraftKings is looking pretty good. Flute, which is Flutter, which is FanDuel, is actually looking pretty good. You can see it started to move at the end of today. And then another one was RSI. And I mean, clearly this thing has been doing pretty great for quite some time. And I think most recently you can see here, it's just kind of flagged into the daily 50. So that's looking pretty good. And then the one that I like and that we are in is Genie. So we did this one, and we've, gosh, I put on 2 positions, one there, and then we put another one on here for the Simpler Central room. And then I started even posting about it yesterday and today. I said, look, I think these dips are going to get bought back up. And sure enough, look at the end of today where it closed. And so this looks like another big promising name. Of course, big squeeze in here. There's a lot of squeezes in here. But I think that this, you can take this and look at it like the market. The market has been going sideways for a while. If you look at something like Genie, look how long it's been going sideways, and then it finally starts to move up and out. And I think that's a good sign. So I'm okay with the market just kind of hanging out and chilling out here. The fact that it hasn't actually been breaking down and it's been absorbing all this news, I think is pretty good. So I'm going to still lean bullish. Of course, that means not all the names are going to work. And so I've been having to trim some that don't work, but we're staying with the ones that do. And I do think that eventually there will continue to be more and more names that set up as this market eventually starts to show its real, its cards and its real true color and direction that it wants to go. And so we just kind of have to hang out right now, stick with the winners, and then keep some powder dry for when the market does finally get its next move, which I hope is going to be to the upside. I think it is, but we got to wait for that. Okay, there's just been a lot of stuff it's been having to digest over the last few weeks, so cut out a little bit of slack. Okay, guys, thanks again. Well, I'll see you later. And then remember, we'll be at the Vegas Money Show. See you there. Take care. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.